Welcome back, friends. How was the morning sessions for all of you? Fantastic. We're going to kick things off now with the second award ceremony of the event. First one today. We had one yesterday. Who was here for the one yesterday? Give us a wave. Do you remember what happened? Anything can happen. That's not going to happen this time, but it was fun, right? It was fun. I won't explain what happened. Ask someone who was there. We're going to move on with the EU Prize for Women Innovators. And just before that, I'm going to sing you a song. No, I'm not. That's not going to happen. We can see if the popular vote is later, and I'll sing you all a song. But this prize is 3 categories. We're going to have the EIC Women Leadership Award, Rising Innovators, and Women Innovators. All the finalists are sitting in the crowd right now. But first, let's see a little video of all of our finalists sitting right here. For our finalists. Now, I'm not going to give these awards out. We have someone so much better than that to do that. So you heard from her this morning. So let's get her back on stage. Ekaterina Zaharieva, our commissioner. The lectern is yours.
Hello again. I'm really glad to present this award. I think it's a great opportunity to celebrate the talent, determination, and leadership of remarkable women. Why now in the room almost only women? I want to see more men in these events as well. Where are the men? There are some. You know, when I presented my priorities in the confirmation hearing, I made it one of my 5 priorities for the 5 years mandate. I have myself had career in sectors where women, so to say, were a minority, so I know your struggles very well, so to say. And if Europe wants to stay competitive, we need an inclusive research innovation landscape. We need all the talent. 2 months ago, maybe most of you read it, we published the She Figures report on the state of gender equality in R&I. And I must be honest, the results are disappointing, really disappointing. Only 34% of researchers are women, just 9% of inventors are women. What is most striking to me is that these figures didn't change since decades. Most of the figures. Just 1 out of 10 deep tech companies have a woman in a senior board position. And while these figures increase to 3 out of 10 in the EIC portfolio, it's still not enough, definitely. Our gender diversity index shows that women-led startups take half a year longer to sign their first term sheet. And over the past decade, just 4 out of 26 EU unicorns were women-led. We need to do more, definitely. Not because we want to be nice to women. It's good to be nice to women, actually. But because it is also bad business. Studies shows that closing the gender gap in STEM could boost our GDP per capita by up to 3% by 2050. And this is 800 billion euro extra only from STEM. And if investors trusted women-led firms like men-led ones, this could unlock almost 200 additional billion euros of investment. At a crucial moment like this for Europe, and Europe risks to lose its competitiveness edge, we simply cannot afford to overlook the competence, creativity, and drive of half of European population. We cannot afford this. It weakens our ability to deliver solutions to the challenges our citizens and our communities face. This issue is not a lack. The issue is not a lack of talent. The talented women here are clear evidence on that. And this year we have combined the networks and the expertise of the EIC with our European Institute of Technology and Innovation, the EIT. Competition has been intense and the work of the jury very hard. We have extraordinary finalists who are not only transforming industries, they are tackling global challenges from the medical treatment to greener mobility. Today we celebrate more than just the winners. We celebrate the resilience and dedication to you all. So I'm sure that your example will inspire also many other women. But I know that everybody in the audience is on the edge of their seats to know the names of our winners. So without further ado, let's review the prize winners.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Who is now?
All right.
Okay.
Should we do this? Let's do this. Can we get a little drum roll? No, we'll save it for the finalists getting there. We'll get the excitement going. So we have 3 categories, do we not? So come and join me over here, actually, Commissioner. I think you can take this mic. Feel free to sing if you like. No, we'll save that for later. Get the audience to vote for that one. So the first category, as I mentioned earlier, is the EIT Women Leadership Award. Let's get the finalists on stage. Let's get those finalists on stage. Where are they? Are you over there? Thank you. Come join us. Come join us. So this is awarded to exceptional women leaders from the EIT community. The winner will get 50,000 euros, 30,000 to the second place runner-up, and third place will be 20,000 euros. I have the envelope, Commissioner.
Okay.
Can I pass this to you?
I'm nervous as
Awesome.
well.
Let's put this a little bit closer to you.
The
Here
three
you
of them
go.
are really, really great.
Fantastic. Make sure.
So
Let's come a little tiny bit closer there.
Will be
There
the
you go.
first. This is the winner. Okay.
So
Yeah,
should
the
we get a
winner.
little drum roll? Can we get a little
Okay.
drum roll for the winner of the EIT Women Leadership Award is?
And this is Deborah. Oh, very long
Well
name,
done to you,
Deborah.
Deborah.
Okay, Campos. Maybe I'm going to say just the last one. Who is Deborah? You? The second is Olesia, and the third is Elizabeth.
Congratulations to all of you. Big round of applause for the EIT Women Leadership Award. Here are your prizes. Commissioner, you can hand out the first place prize to our first place winner, Deborah. Congratulations. And let's get a photo, all of you. Maybe you can come closer together. A little bit closer together there. Fantastic. Give a round of applause for our winners here. Fantastic. Well done to you. Now, don't leave. I want to have a chat with all of you. Deborah, can I talk with you first? Do you want to grab the mic over here? Here we go. Let me put this over here. You can also sing if you like. Maybe it's the moment for it. Come a little bit closer if you don't mind. So, Deborah, you have invented a new eco-friendly process to transform industrial fruit waste into functional food ingredients. Is that you?
It's me.
Good. We got the right person. Cool. How will the prize and recognition help you and your company to grow?
Yes, so this award is a recognition of the value of what we are doing in Portugal, and actually also validate us with investors, potential investors for the future, which, as commissioners say, it's quite difficult sometimes. And this will make the difference for us and this year, because we have a pilot facility already working, producing clean label ingredients for everyone. So this will enable us to fast track our activities throughout this year.
Fantastic. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, let's should we have a chat as well?
Yes, please.
Second place. You can also sing. No, I'll stop saying that now. See if we get
After
someone.
you.
Maybe I'll finish it. After me, well said. All right, so your innovation can have an impact on the health sector. Can the EU Prize for Women Innovators help to scale up the impact and support a wider adoption of your nanotechnology-based wound care products in the European healthcare system?
Yes, absolutely. We are healing very difficult wounds with our patch that was developed by us. And currently we are working only in clinical settings, asking for permission for every patient, but with a price and with hard work, we are going to reach many patients after getting the regulatory approval. So after that, we hope to heal many wounds and save lives by that.
I hope you succeed too. One more time, round of applause. Second place in this award. Thank you. And of course, Elizabeth, finally, winning third place in this incredible award show with all these great people here, increasing the visibility of what you're doing. Maybe come closer a tiny bit there. How do you see the recognition helping you to further develop the medical variability in endoscopy technology and expand its impact into healthcare as well?
Yeah, so this is
Or maybe come a tiny bit closer. You have to be almost kissing it.
okay.
There you go.
No, it's a great opportunity to demonstrate the work that we've been doing at Timpani. It's always a team effort, so it's great recognition both for me but also for the work that the team itself has done, and hopefully we'll build visibility in our fundraising efforts.
Thank you. Well done. One more round of applause to our EIT women. Here we go. Let's move this over here. Commissioner, this is there for you now as well. Should we move on to the next category, Commissioner?
Should we?
Should we?
Yeah.
Let the audience
I think
decide
we
that one
should.
too. All right, so the next category is Rising Innovators. So let's get our finalists on stage for Rising Innovators. This is for promising young women innovators under the age of 35, and the winner will receive 50,000, second place 30, and 20 to third place. Hello, ladies, welcome. Let me grab this envelope here. Commissioner, I have the envelope. You can let us know. So,
Rising Innovators. The winner is Camille Bouguet.
Camille, congratulations, well done.
Second, Claudine Adams. And Eloise Mala. Sorry, Mala. Yeah.
Eloise, congratulations.
Ladies. Congratulations.
Let's get those awards on stage. Congratulations one more time to our first place, second place, and third place winner of the Rising Innovator category for promising young women innovators under 35 years old. Thank you. Let's get a photo. Let's get you all together. We're coming in a little bit up front there. Thank you. Fantastic. Thank you so much. All right, let's get this over. I want to have a chat with all of you. Come over to the stand. Whisper into it. Let's get the first place winner. Camille. Come on the front here. One more round of applause for Camille. Come on. Here we go. We have hands to clap for people. So, Camille, how does it feel to receive this prestigious recognition from the jury? And how do you see this recognition supporting your next steps and developing your impact?
Yeah, thank you very much for the prize. It's a very good recognition of all the work we are doing at Scientalab. Not only me, but the whole team that's behind as well. So I'm very proud for themselves as well. Right now at Scientalab, we have a lot of challenges in front of us, both in terms of product development, commercial impact, and fundraising. So my hope is that with the visibility that we get with the prize, we can achieve these objectives faster, scale Scientalab, and hopefully be role models in the future.
Fantastic. Well done to you. We can't be what we can't see. One more time, Camille. Let's hear from you. Nadine. Claudine, probably. Claudine, come up here. Here we go. Fantastic. So, I've got to ask you, that was actually a kind of perfect parallel to the next question. What is your message to other women and girls who are starting to develop innovative businesses?
Oh, really great question. So I think my fundamental piece of advice is just get started. You don't need any permission to solve a problem that you care deeply about solving. So I'd encourage any young woman, or any women, frankly, to start innovating, start testing the solutions that you think will solve those challenges, and apply to the EIC prize to support you.
There you go. One more time. Thank you, Claudine. And of course, Eloise, last but not least. How does it feel realizing that the jury this year really believed in your innovation and the product you're building?
I think that the jury recognized the impact of our project at two dimensions. The health impact that we want to bring with the unlocking the access to new treatments in cannabis thanks to plant biotechnology for curing rare and critical diseases. And also the environmental impact with developing new bioprocess that will produce sustainably new compounds for health and critical diseases too. So,
Fantastic.
yeah.
Congratulations once again. And one more time for our 3 finalists and winners. Thank you. You can join us in the crowd one more time. We have one more round, Commissioner, of prizes to give out. So the next category is Women Innovators. Do you want to join us on stage, Women Innovators? Open to women founders and co-founders across the EU and associated countries. The winner will receive 100,000 euros, and the 2 runners-up will receive 70 and 50,000 respectively. Let me get the very much golden plated envelope with the kind of money we're talking about. Feel free to, you can scooch up a little bit in the front here if you like. This is your moment.
Okay. And Women Innovators, the winner is Agnes Arbat.
Congratulations, Agnes. 100,000 euros to you. Well done.
Second, Rona Togner.
Congratulations, Rona from Ireland,
And the
co-founder.
third is Fanny Barde.
Congratulations, Fanny. France and Belgium represented there. Let's get those prizes in and get a team photo once again. Here we go. You know the drill. Commissioner, how about you go in the middle this time? We can mix it up for the photo. Here we go. Thank you. One more round of applause for our finalists and winners of Women Innovators. 100,000 euros to the winner, 70 to the runner-up. Third place gets 50. Agnes, should we have a chat? Should I pull this over here again? So feel free to come a little bit closer, Agnes. Talk to your wonderful, adoring fans now, I think. Congratulations for them. We've got some fans in the audience. Well done to you.
Thank you very much.
How does this award reflect your journey and the people who have supported you along the way?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank the European Commission for this award. I think it's very important for all of us, not just the finalists and the winners, but all the women that are innovating in all areas. So thank you very much for this opportunity. Secondly, I would say I'm deeply honored. And it's a great, it's a very important prize for us, and not just for me, of course, for all the OXO Life team. We've been working in female fertility for more than 10 years, and having this prize acknowledge and validates all the hard work that the team has been performing all this year. So thank you very much.
Congratulations. Well done one more time. Agnes, Rona, should we jump on? Here we go. So what's the next step for the company, and how will today's award help you get there?
Oh, wow. Well, thank you so much for this award. First, this is all in part to the dedication of my team and, of course, my brilliant co-founder, Emer. You know, this is an amazing platform for women and women-founded businesses. And the next step for us is scaling up, and that's a really big challenge for a manufacturing company, especially here in Europe. So, yes, we'll be establishing our first pilot facility this year, which is really exciting. I never thought I'd be in manufacturing. And, you know, we really want to raise awareness about what we're doing here in Europe and doing local manufacturing as well. So we're building a site, and we hope you will all join us and help us to fund the development of that.
Will you follow?
Yeah.
Yes, they will. You got some team here. Fanny, do you want to come join us here? Thank you so much. Congratulations once again. So how does this award help further your mission and the future development of the company, and how can we use this as a platform today for you?
Okay, thank you very much, the Commission, for the award. It's really a recognition of the whole career that I spent developing next-generation battery. So at Solitor, indeed, we are developing next-generation solid electrolyte, which are solid, which will be integrated into solid-state battery. And the main advantage is that this battery will be safer and lighter at the same time. So the impact will be huge, because really it will change transportation. We can all transport be enabling sustainable transport. For the company, this prize means a lot, and so for the team, I want to thank the team for all the great job they do every day. It means a lot for the company, because now we are indeed a stage of scale-up our process to upscale the solid electrolyte and make demonstrator prototype batteries to send to our new customers. So that's really right on time. Thank you.
Fantastic. Congratulations, Fanny. One more round of applause. Stay here. I want to invite the other finalists back on stage. We're going to get a group photo, and I think the Commissioner may have some final words as well. So, Commissioner, maybe...
Just really final words.
As they're jumping up, come and join us on stage. Here we go,
ladies,
here we go.
I'm really impressed of what you have achieved. It's what Carlos was talking about in the morning. Those are the stories that we have to tell to our people. Being a woman, in a sense, it's to be an innovator, how to free space for ourselves, how to navigate in the societies that are not always necessarily designed by us, even the micros, sorry to say, but for women without internal pockets and the belt, it's the micros that you have. Think here not very convenient, but this is just one funny example. So you're really remarkable women, and I really hope that your example, other women will start. And I really like what you said, that don't wait for the right moment. I mean, it can never, just don't afraid to try. And I think it's very important, don't afraid to fail, because some of initiatives you can fail, but it's a lesson learned. It's something positive. Europe, we have to start a bit changing our perspective about the failure. We are so afraid of failure, and we shouldn't. This is innovators, they have to try, they have continued to try. And then many of you, all of you actually did mention their teams. Surround with nice people, clever people. It's a teamwork. So I'm also very grateful for my team in EIC, in my cabinet, in the DG, who did organize this great event. So Europe sees you, Europe is proud of you. And of course, Europe will continue to support you with the right policy and with the right approach. So we are really proud of you. You are great.
Let's get a photo with the Commissioner in the middle there. Fantastic. Thank you so much. One more time. We can clap for them as they finish. There you go. Well done to all of you. The 3 categories: Rising Innovators, EIT, Women Leadership, and Women's Innovators. Perfect. Thank you, ladies. Go and spend the money. Thank you, Commissioner. Don't go anywhere, friends, because we're going to go to lunch. And they're going to be back at 2:30 for awesome panel conversations that'll take us into the afternoon. You don't want to miss any of those. Go and make some new friends and learn something. We'll see you back at 2:30. Thank you.